Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending 2024 recap video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to go to the templates menu to get the template. I'm going to select templates and here we're going to search for 2024 recap. Just type in 2024 recap like this, and then you can choose the template that you like, and I'm gonna go with this template guys, 2024 season. And with that, okay, then I'm going to replace the video in this template with my own video. I'm gonna click on use template and I'm going to pick video from my gallery. I'm just going to pick random video guys. Wait, I'm going to pick random video. Okay, you have to prepare your video before you use this template. All right. Okay, and now 58 items have been selected and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and then we have to wait until 100%. Okay, that's done guys. And this is the final result. All right. Okay, and you will be able to change the music if you want. Click on the audio and then choose the music that you like. But I'm just going to use the music in the template. And if you want to change the tags, you can click on tags option and you can customize the tags you want to add to your video. Okay, and once you're ready to save it, you can click on export and click on export without watermark, so the CapCut watermark will be removed from your video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create trending 2024 recap video editing on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.